I feel like a lot of people can relate to Basha dahil we all start to discover new things about ourselves. It's, I guess, more excited than pressure for some reason, just because we're doing it again, and it's been fun the first run, and this run I bet it's gonna be amazing, and marami na namang mangyayari dahil marami kaming mga bagong ginagawa, so yun yung nakaka-pressure. Pero so far, since we had such a good first run, I guess yung pressure naman for people to enjoy it, medyo we know na may enjoy siya because kami na-enjoy na yung mag-perform, and I guess it radiates to everybody else.
Yeah, I'm so excited kasi parang I think the whole cast din could say na parang we're different people coming into this, na parang kung sino man kami the last run, iba to, bagong flavor ulit to. It's really fresh. That's what we do naman, na parang to keep it fresh, yun yung parang goal namin, and we're just so excited. Sobrang nakakatuwa to. Ang daming bago, and ang dami naming energy para ibigay pa to.
Yes, we do have similarities. I guess pero feeling ko, not just me, I feel like a lot of people can relate to Basha dahil we all start to discover new things about ourselves, and we want to try to explore that, and I feel like that's something I can really connect with Basha, na heartbroken wise, there's things that you have to let go for you to explore things, and yeah, I guess I can relate in that sense with Basha.
Right. Ako, I feel ko sobrang dami ng, hindi naman similarities, but sobrang daming things na pwedeng mapaghugutan sa mga pinagdaanan nila, sa things na sinasabi nila, mga nararamdaman nila. I think there are a lot of, marami-rami na rin ang pinagdaanan ko. Not naman na, hindi kami similar ni Popoy. Hindi may temper kasi si Popoy, so hindi naman ako ganong tao. But I really get where he's coming from. I understand yung pain, pressure, ganun. So, ang saya niya, ang sayang i-arte ng character for me. It's a delight to perform on stage.
Well, you know, 2024, I feel like people just make their own decisions, and I feel like if you feel love, you just feel love. There's no timeline to it. But do you, if you think that you do need a 3-month, respect, because sometimes people do need it, and sometimes I need it, you know, people need it.
Yeah, explain
no
ko
judgment.
Hindi ko explain yung point ni Popoy pero yeah, hindi, I don't know, may ibang tao na who would want to be respected with 3-month rule, but yeah, tama yun, yeah, kung feeling mo it's time to love, then it's time to love. That's what I believe in, I think.